Which ingredient is not necessary for the offence punishable under section 270 of the IPC? Rash driving on public way. Answer is D. Why? Check section 279 of the IPC. Which offence under IPC is punishable with minimum sentence of 7 years? Rape, dacoity, murder. Answer D. According to IPC, section 233 defines. Which of the following punishment cannot be awarded under the Indian Penal Code? Answer is C. The word of imprisonment for life was substitute for transportation for life by Act 26 of 1955. Now section 53 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 provide for 5 types of punishment. Death penalty, life imprisonment, simple imprisonment, confiscation of property, fine. So here we go for number 4. Which one out of the following act the word imprisonment for life were substitute for the word transportation for life in the IPC? Act 26 of 1955. Answer is C. Check section 53. Indian Penal Code was amendment so as to delete the punishment of transportation and to substitute it by the punishment of imprisonment for life. Number 5. According to Hindu Marriage Act is termed as a contract, an agreement. क्या होगा? तो आंसर इज बी. According to Hindu Marriage Act is considered to be religious sacraments because marriage become valid only when rituals and ceremony are performed. Section of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 provide custody of minor child. Answer A. Check section of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 provide custody of minor child. Bigamy law are not applicable to Muslims. Answer B. Please check section 494(6) of IPC. When the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 come into force? The Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act was enacted in India 1956, come into force on 21 December 1956 as per of the Hindu Code Bill. Compulsory education between the age of 6 to 14 years in the Indian Constitution come under which of the following? Of course, fundamental right. Check Article 21A in the Constitution of India. Right to freedom includes. Please check Article 19. Right to freedom is a fundamental right provided in the Constitution of India. Daily 10 questions we solve in this series. Subscribe to Legal Advice. Your exam is on 25th of November. So from today, 78 days is left. So 780 question we solve. AIB 19 पास होंगे एडवोकेट शरीन हुसैन के साथ. Let's do it.